Maybe you can use all my false starts in a not in a blue tour. You should do it in the front of the video. You know, almost like that will be the intro. So part of the channel, I'm gonna do this all over again because I say cocktail. What's up, guys? It's really no, I'm not gonna say what's up, guys. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. It's really nice to see you guys again. I know that you guys have been seeing me because Marius and I have been posting episodes. Oh, what's up, Marius? I've been trying to find a good intro for you guys, and apparently I keep on saying things that references. What does it do, Marius? It's saying something hasn't happened, but then they had happened or something. Like, what am I doing?
Well, we shot 2 videos remotely.
Yes, we shot 2 videos remotely. Which you guys have seen by now, and the last 3 takes of this intro, I was talking as if I hadn't seen you guys, and you were a sight for sore eyes. You are a sight for sore eyes, and I've only seen you twice in the last month. We've been releasing all of these really old episodes and trying to keep our schedule. We're back to shooting now, which I'm really super happy about, and I've been inside for a month, a little over a month actually, tearing my hair out because. You know, the one thing is that I get all this time off of work because I basically lost my job. And then the other thing is that I can't do any of the stuff that I want to do and be as productive as I want to be, even though I have all the time in the world. So luckily we're back doing what we love, bringing you guys cocktail episodes. If you haven't guessed it, this is the Educated Barfly. We are in the age of quarantine, and we are going to be bringing you a cocktail called the Blinker. So the Blinker is a super simple 3-ingredient Prohibition-era cocktail. It was first published in the Official Mixer's Manual by Patrick Gavin Duffy of 1934, and then it subsequently made an appearance in David Embry's The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks in 1948. What's great about this cocktail, and what I love so much about it, is that it does not look like it makes any sense on paper, but then you taste it and it makes all the sense in the world. So let's get into making the drink. All right, first thing we're gonna do is 1/2 ounce of grenadine. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. A lot of people like to use the white grapefruit juice, which is a little bit bitter, and they think that that goes a little bit better with the Old Forester. I like actually using Ruby Red, which is still bitter, but it's a little bit sweeter, and it gives you that nice kind of ruby color. We did 1 ounce if I hadn't said it. And then 2 ounces of rye. The higher proof rye, the better. We're using Old Forester 100 proof rye, which I really love for the price. It is great, great, great whiskey. All right, and we're just gonna add our ice to our tin as we do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not throw it on the floor. Add our cocktail to our other tin and give it a nice hard shake. All right. And then we can give it a nice little double strainy pants in our glassy poo. Look at that color. I like to call that color savory red because it's red, but it has a brown tint to it, but it's not like swampy brown. It's still got that nice red color, but it's like, I don't know, what do you call this color, Marius? It's like ox blood? Nah. You call it like burgundy? Is it burgundy?
Kind of.
It's got rose? Dirty rose?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's give it a little sip. Oh, man, that's good. Oh, yeah. So, it's one of those cocktails where I want to go like, oh, yeah. Like as soon as it hits the front of your palate, you get all of that rye, and it just opens up into this like grapefruity, grenadine aftertaste. It's amazing. The grenadine gives it like a little savory sweetness, right? But the grapefruit gives it like this sort of bitter citrusy sort of mid palate. I don't know. I feel like these, like I'm out of practice on my tasting notes or something, because I'm like bitter citrusy. Well, of course, grapefruit is bitter and citrusy, but it's just so pleasing. I'm also really happy that my shake hasn't suffered in the last month, and I got those nice bubbles on top. That's just magnifique. And like I said, like what I love so much about this cocktail is that it seems like a crazy man would suggest these flavors, but they go so well together. It's so pleasing. This is something that you could drink at the end of the night, or in the middle of the day, and you could drink it in the summertime because it's refreshing enough. But you can also, if you put a little nutmeg on top, I could totally see having this be my nightcap on Christmas or on or Thanksgiving or something. It's such a nice flavor, kind of fall flavory, but like I said, refreshing enough for hot weather. I really like it. Well, there you have it, the Blinker. And now I'm going to do our outro. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. Check us out on Patreon, but also check us out on YouTube because we have memberships on YouTube there as well. I said YouTube there, but I meant YouTube as well. So we finally enacted our memberships. You've got pretty much the same tiers as Patreon. Patreon has a little bit extra stuff if you want to check that out. But the YouTube, you get super cool emojis that are custom to our channel, and you also get a little icon, the little Barfly logo icon that changes color the longer you sub our membership. So that's pretty cool to check out. And then also, check out Surfside Sips that make those high impact glass straws. We did not use one in this cocktail today, but they make really awesome ones, and we have a 20% off discount. If you just go to their website, surfsidesips.com, and put in Barfly at checkout, that's 20% off everything in your basket. And then also Staggerly Goods, our apron. Marius is like, oh, how many of these are you going to do? I'm just going to do Staggerly because Alfred makes these awesome aprons. They're amazing. And he's also making masks right now. And then he's donating a portion of what he makes in the masks to, I believe, the World Health Organization to help combat the spread of the coronavirus. So you should definitely check those out if you're in need of a mask. They've been great demand. He's been selling out. And you can get a discount. So just Barfly SLG20 at checkout at staggerlygoods.com. We'll give you 20% off everything in your basket. And I will see you guys another time.